Hi, I'm Kevin.
I'm Misty.
I'm Christy.
I'm Catherine.
And this is What's Cooking for Dinner. We're your hosts. If you like our videos, click the like and subscribe button. That way you can get all the latest content. Here's what it's looking like inside the crock pot. You can see the water's boiling a little bit. And carrots, potatoes, and onions. We're going to get a fork here and we're going to test it all out, and then we're going to tempt the roast also. Okay, so I've got a fork and I got a few of these vegetables and stuff. We're going to cut into them. And they're they're easy. There we go, once you get it the right way. So I know it's gonna be hot, but that's good. We got some good flavoring. That one's even hotter, but it's still really good. And there's the 180, So there's your roast, and you can see, I'll show you, it is super tender. It's falling apart real easy. I'm ready to eat it. In fact, I'll just tell you right here. Super tender on eating. Got the potatoes, got the carrots, got the onions. I said that wrong. Carrots, potatoes, onions. Roast is really good. I got a little bit of juice left if I wanted to make a brown gravy, which I'm probably not going to do that tonight. But there we go. We have the tri-tip roast with carrots, potatoes, and onions. And I started it roughly 10 o'clock. About 2 o'clock, turned it on high in the crock pot. Until then, I cooked it on low. And now it's 6 o'clock at night, and there we go. So it was easy. Just left it in the crock pot. There we go. That's our dinner tonight. That's what's cooking for dinner.
Like, subscribe, and make us famous, baby.